Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Hyundai Elantra safely and effectively. First, gather your essential tools, including a set of jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Safety is paramount, so ensure both cars are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Before proceeding, quickly inspect the dead battery for any visible damage or fluid leaks, which could indicate a more serious issue. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Elantra's dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red positive cable to the positive terminal of the good battery. Then, connect one black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the other end of the black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Elantra, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle and allow it to run for about 5 minutes. This gives the good battery time to transfer some charge. After 5 minutes, attempt to start your Hyundai Elantra. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another 2 or 3 minutes and try again. Once your Elantra's engine is running, let it idle for at least 15 minutes to build up some charge. Now it's time to carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface on your Elantra. Next, disconnect the black negative cable from the good battery's negative terminal. Then, remove the red positive cable from the good battery's positive terminal. Finally, disconnect the red positive cable from your Elantra's positive terminal. Drive your Elantra for at least 20 minutes to help fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.